In today's video, I am going to overview the price performance of 10 gold and silver mining companies ranked by Rick Rule in his recent interview with Capital Cosm. So let's get into the details of these mining companies. I have listed these companies by highest market cap to the lowest market cap. Most of the companies that are in this list of overall 20 companies, 10 gold and 10 silver mining companies, have a market cap above $1 billion, so which means that they are like large cap stocks. Okay, more than 10 of these companies are close to or above $1 billion market cap. Let's get into the details of these companies in terms of price performance. So the first one here is Newmont Corporation. It's a huge company, okay, and has a market cap of $51.3 billion, and this has 1.15 billion shares outstanding. Is the year high of this stock, Newmont Corp, was $45.92. Okay, and year over year, it has actually gained this year 9.29, close to 9%, and 1 year performance is close to 9%. Okay, and then this company also pays dividend. Okay, and the dividend is it's like how much is it? It's like 0.25 US dollar, and it's quarterly. Okay, and the price chart, you will see here, this year the lowest it hit was $29, and currently is like $45. Is like close to 50%, maybe less, like 40%, I think. So and then the highest price is reached recent, and in the I'm seeing the 10-year chart, so it highest point was $78, and that was during COVID-19, like the 2020 market correction. The lowest it hit was $28.54, and from that point it went to there, like close to $79. So even now it still has the great chance to go up by like at least double. I would say double from current price. Okay, and if you are given that what we are talking about, huge market price movement in gold sector and also in silver sector, so imagine how much the stocks are going to be. Okay, so usually, because gold and silver mining stocks both are leveraged to the gold and silver prices, so let's say if gold price goes by 10%, okay, like 10%, and it goes up by way more. So even let's see the chart here. So if you see daily chart, I would say let's say 1 year chart of gold. So see this price here and this. So this one is February 26, and let's see here, how much was it? There, no, it was there. Okay, so that was in February. Okay, so this one was 1900, and this was 1900, like close to 1987, and now it's 23. Okay, 2389, close to $2387 dollar. Okay, $2,387. Okay, so and then if we see in terms of percentage, so percentage wise, because this is showing 0, so -3 and 15, 16, so like 20%, 15, 17, 18% from this bottom price. Okay, and this one The company here is like close to 40%, so it's more than gold. The movement here is more than the gold price. So because it's a large cap company, and usually the price movement on these are more stable companies. Okay, not like the growth companies which are busy in exploration and discovering new assets. So the growth in those type of like small cap to small cap or micro cap stocks are much higher in terms of percentage gain. Okay, so but even these stable companies like this one Newmont, they still have a great potential to grow or go up, like maybe 5 times, I don't know, like to their current price. Okay, depending on how much gold and silver will move. The next in the list is Franco Nevada Corporation. Okay, Franco Nevada is currently $123. The price is $123. So recent lows during this year was $103. It's like 20%, close to 20% from the current, from the lowest price. And if you see from the year, beginning of the year, how much was it? Let's see. It looks like, if you see 1 year performance, if you see 1 year performance, actually it has been low. At the beginning of the year it was 136, so now it's 123. So it's like down by I think close to 10%. Okay, close to 10%. That's 1 year performance. Okay, close to 10%, and year to date performance is, I think, 12.3% with this company Franco Nevada. Okay, and if you see maximum like 10-year chart, and we can see during these times like 2021 it was 74 $74, and then from $74 it was like it doubled from that price point. So it doubled. This one also, let's see what the market cap looks like. Okay, so the market cap is $23 billion, and it has 192 million. So it actually has a low float, 192 million shares, compared to this Newmont, which has 1 billion shares. Okay, so Franco Nevada has a lower float, and it also distributes dividends, quarterly dividends, 36 cents. So the next stock is Alamos Gold. Currently the price is 16, the last close was $16.56. It has a market cap of $6.757 billion, and this company has Alamos Gold has 396 million shares outstanding. So this one also pays dividend to its shareholders, quarterly dividend of 2.5 cents. Is that 2.5? Yeah, I think it's 2.5 cents per share. Okay, the yearly high, 1 year 12 months high was 17.29, and the lowest of price during this year was $10.78. Okay, so that's what's showing here. So $10.74 and from that it has gone up to 16.57, so 60% gain in from its lowest price point but this is still also, this one also has a room to grow. Okay, next one is triple flag precious metal. Triple flag precious metals current price is $15.65, and the lowest price during this year was $11.68, which means that from its lowest price point it gained like 50%. Okay, 50% from its lowest price this year. Okay, and when we look at this 5-year, I know why it's not showing up this 5-year, it's so strange. Okay, so when we look at this 10-year chart, is okay, so this was weird. Okay, this is weird. Okay, anyway, so it's not showing up maybe what happened, triple flag. Okay, so this one is not showing me the price before September. It's just the chart that I'm seeing is just this one, so I don't know why, but anyway, the quote, I'll see the market cap and things like so. Market cap here is $3.14 billion for triple flag precious metals. Okay, and it has 201 million shares outstanding. This one also pays quarterly dividend of close to 5.25 cents, 0.0525 US dollar, which is quarterly dividend. And we have talked about these prices. Okay, so it's also in the top like large cap company. Okay, next we move to this Wesdome Gold Mines. Wesdome Gold Mines current market cap is $1.35 billion, and it has outstanding like 149 million shares outstanding. The last close was $9. Okay, year high was 9. The maximum price this year was 9, which is the recent. I think it looks like it has made this high recently. And then the lowest was 4.9, $4.90. Okay, $4.90. So means that this one close to it's like 90% gain. Okay, like they have like close to 100%, 90% gain from the lowest price point. Okay, so the lowest point it reached was in February 2023, and now today is like the highest point was okay, sorry, I'm seeing this 10-year chart. But anyway, no, this 10-year is not showing the whole chart. So so if you see 1 year chart, this was the lowest point at the beginning of the year. No, it's not the beginning, it's like 12 months chart. So this year, this is the beginning of the year. That was the price. Okay, this was the price in in January. Okay, and if you see 1 year price, this is the price, $4.90. Okay, $4.90. So it's like close to $9 now. But again, next gold mining company in the list is Metalla Royalty and Streaming Limited, which is a royalty company. Market was bad. Okay, so the 1 year 1 year high was 582. Currently is $296. So it's close to like 50% down from this from the from this peak price, like 30% or something like that. From the 1 year performance, okay, is like 31.4%, and and then year to date is like kind of flat, 3.8%. Let's see, year to date is like flat, it's not it hasn't gained much. terms of 10-year performance of Metalla. So let's see here. In 2020, the price was the lowest was $2.98, and now this year 2024, this one has gone down, is even lower than is 2020 price. Okay, yeah, but from this point it went to $13. So from $3 to $13, so it's like 4 times, more than 4 times, okay, of its lowest price. I think Rick Rule said that he's not going to there were some issues about this company, and then he was saying that he's not actually at the would not be investing in there. But anyway, if the things are going great with this company, this can go this can go back to its previous highs. Okay, next one, that the stock that was discussed in his interview was Skinner Resources Limited. Current price is $6.26, and this is like 10-year chart. So I would say 1 year or maybe 5-year chart. Okay, so even 5-year, it has gone down from there. It's showing, actually it's not showing, it's showing the price from 2021 to now. So maybe I'll have to see some other places what the charts are showing, but from that point is the early, the late, I cannot get the price before this thing, this point. So I'll have to do more research about this one. I know this company existed. Skinner Resources is not a new company. But this chart is not showing, it's just showing this chart from since 2021. Okay, so I was checking the price of news of Skinner Resources. The chart and the pattern looks I don't know if it's similar to other companies. Let's see this one, Metalla, because when the market was down, all the stocks were down. Even the big companies lost more than 50% of their peak price. For example, this top one, we say Newmont, is the top gold company. So it went from $78 to $30. So that's the general has been from the same price point. So April 2022, it was like 70, how much was it, like $79 to now this year it was it hit 20, was it like, it's like $29. Okay, so when we see this Skinner Resources, okay, so I would say it's like the same, that market was bad. So like other companies, this one also went down a lot, but compared to see this one was $13.40, and then it went to, it lost like 75% of it, but also it might have gained more. I cannot see the chart before that, but let's say this one, Metalla, was Metalla Royalty, let's see this one was also from $3 to $13. So the next stock that I'm showing here is Caledonia Mining Corporation. Okay, this one is also showing this 10-year chart. Okay, 10-year chart. Well, the earliest I can see, this is like from 2017. Okay, I would say 2018, 2019. This one is 2020. Okay, so let's see this one, because Yes, recent one. So yeah, so in 2020 the price of Skinner is so not Skinner, Caledonia Mining Corp was 5 point, how much was it, 5.56, $5.56. From $5.56 it went to $25.16. So it's like 5 times of its lowest price in 2022. And in order to be 5 times, it took from March 2020 to July. So it's like 4 or 5 months. So from March to July, 4 or 5 months, it was 5 times. So this is kind of move that people are talking about, and I am also anticipating in silver and gold companies. Okay, and this is going to happen with the crypto sectors also. So this explosive move, this is the one I would like to see soon. I would like to see this soon, and hope just it happens soon. Okay, and hope everything stays good around the world. So because this COVID-19, this was during COVID-19. It was this pandemic. This was so. In order to move this, and it was not that bad. We had that were locked down and things like that. For the effect of it stayed there for like several years, but the price spike was like this. So in order for this thing, like there will be a reason. There will be a reason for these. There should be a reason. I hope it's not a reason that's going to disturb the whole world, but in order to like the reasons that people are talking is like people are generally losing confidence in fiat money. Okay, so another recession possibility, people are talking about it, possibility of another recession or another huge market correction or anything like that would cause a sudden move in the asset prices like gold and silver, and because dollar is opposite, goes in the opposite direction, like inversely correlated to gold and silver prices. So it has to, as I think I was in one of the videos, David Hunter was predicting dollar to US dollar index to hit 80 or 90 range. Currently it's like above 100. I haven't seen it. So in order that to happen, dollar will go down in order for this to move up. Anyway, what I was saying, just the next move up is going to be like this explosive, which we are all anticipating and hoping for and waiting for. This kind of huge move in the next 6 to 7 months, which is explained, described as melt up by David Hunter, this parabolic melt up, which people are waiting for, and the gain, that's what he said, that the gain during these melt ups, the gain that you can make in years, you can make in 5 to 6 months. So this is the point. Hope it's be quick and just be ready to benefit from this huge melt up in gold and silver. And he also said that it's not just gold and silver, it's going to be stock market. And the stock market, he was giving targets of Nasdaq and then Dow and all the big stocks, indices. So stock market is also going to go up. Okay, but silver is supposed to, or his belief that silver will outperform other assets. But anyway, now we are not talking about silver, we're just discussing the gold stocks. So I think I'm on the number, just 2 more left. So so this one has a great chance to go up by 5 times from the current price. So it could go to $40 easily, from the base. So when this gain was like close to 5 times, okay, from this point. So again, when this pattern, it breaks this consolidation pattern, it's most likely going to go up by this value. Okay, I think this TRX Gold was Tanzanian Gold Corp. What Danny was talking about, this Tanzanian TRX Gold Corporation. This one is also, I'm showing this 10-year, but 10-year chart. But in the 10-year chart, this is like a huge spike. I don't know if it should be considered or not. I don't know why. It was just like 1 week, 2021. I don't know what yeah. So but anyway, if just like normal, this was a spike. There was a spike which made it go to $1.91. Tanzanian gold, it has a low market cap, $111 million, and has 279 million shares outstanding. The yearly high was 40 cents, 1 year high, and okay, it was like 1 year low was 39. It was like kind of quite flat from the thing. I don't know if it's showing the it's showing 31. Okay, yeah, 31. The year low was 31 cents, and a year high was 49 cents. Okay, I was seeing the wrong numbers. Okay, and then currently it is 40 trading at 40 cents. The last one in this list of gold stocks is Highcroft Mining Holding Corp, and I'm seeing the 5-year chart. Okay, it's showing the price from $161, and now it's like $320. So 1 year chart, 1 year low was $1.63 cents, and now it's $2.57, and it's reached a this year it had like $4.96 cents peak, and then this one was $4.64. So it's like close to $5 from this low of $1.66. So so from this November lows, it was like 3 times. It went up by 3 times, and now it went through correction again, and it's going up. It's like seems to be going back up again. Okay, so now we have reviewed all the stocks, the 10 stocks that were discussed by Rick Roll in his interview. Okay, what do you think about all these companies? Share your opinion in the comment section below. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and support my channel. There are links in the description below. I hope you enjoyed the video.